हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल होम्योपैथी एंड डियर समृद्धि शर्मा इज़ हेयर टू गाइड यू। और ये वीडियो अगर आप स्टूडेंट हैं या फिर आप क्लिनिकल प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं तो दोनों के लिए ही ये वीडियो काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाली है, बिकॉज इस वीडियो में आपसे कुछ एमसीक्यूज डिस्कस करूंगी जो कि बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट हैं, की नोट्स हैं हर दवाई के, वो मैं आपसे डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ। तो अगर आप स्टूडेंट हैं तो आपके लिए कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में भी फ़ायदा है और साथ ही साथ क्लिनिकल प्रैक्टिस में भी फ़ायदा है। और अगर आप क्लिनिकल प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं तो आपके लिए वो की नोट्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं जानने, ताकि आप उस दवाई तक, अगर वो की नोट मरीज ने आपको बता दिया, ताकि आप उस दवाई तक आराम से पहुंच जाओ। तो जितने भी एमसीक्यूज की बुक हैं उनको पूरा देखकर और मैं आपको कुछ एमसीक्यूज बताना चाहती हूँ जो आपके लिए काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट हैं जानना। और जैसे कि वीके चौहान है, सक्सेस है, टर्निंग पॉइंट है, इन सबको समराइज कर मैंने वीडियो बनाई है। तो इसका जो पार्ट फर्स्ट है वो मैं आज आपके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ। तो इस वीडियो को आप शुरू से लास्ट तक देखिएगा और अगर आपको पसंद आए तो इसे लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए और अगर आपने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। तो चलिए, आज की वीडियो काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है तो उसे शुरू करते हैं। So first of all, there are three medicines that have the symptom that the pains come suddenly and disappear suddenly. पेन जल्दी से आता है और जल्दी से चला जाता है। तो इसमें जो है बेलेडोना, मैगफॉस और कार्बोलिक एसिड, ये तीन दवाइयाँ जो है वो काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है। ये तीनों में ये सिम्टम है, द पेन्स कम सडनली एंड डिसअपियर सडनली। नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट सिम्टम अबाउट द कार्बोलिक एसिड इज physical exertion, even much walking brings on abscess in some part but generally in the right ear. The patient gets an abscess in the right ear or on the other parts when the patient does physical exertion, that walking. Okay, so even walking causes the abscess in the ear, so this is the important keynote of the carbolic acid. So the patient of the carbolic acid have a headache that is over the forehead extending from the temples to temples, and the pain is like a rubber band is stretched from temples to temple. So dull heavy frontal headache as if rubber band was stretched tightly over the forehead from temple to temple. So this is the important keynote of the carbolic acid. Just keep in mind what I am discussing with you in this video are the MCQs of the competitive examinations, and I will discuss a medicine's important points with you that is frequently asked questions. Okay, so those who are aspirants of the AIA PGET 2020 should watch out this video. So that's the important thing. What are the keynotes? Okay, so next symptom is vomiting, that is dark olive green fluid like vomiting. So this is the symptom that is present also in the carbolic acid. Now constipation with horribly offensive breath. Okay, this symptom is present in opium, sorinum and the carbolic acid. Now leucorrhea acrid, copious, fatted, green, that is also present in the carbolic acid. So these are the important symptoms of the carbolic acid which I have discussed with you. So you should remember these symptoms by heart. Okay, so this is how I am going to discuss the keynotes of the medicines that are the important MCQs that are frequently asked questions in the competitive examinations. Okay, so one by one I am going to discuss the medicines keynotes, so just remember these points. Okay, so moving on to the next medicine is the symptom of this medicine is that the medicine suits best for the ailments that occurs during pregnancy, during parturition and during lactation. So the medicine name is a coliphylum. Okay, so coliphylum has a leucorrhea that prevents pregnancy because the leucorrhea is very much acrid, exhausting, and the leucorrhea, if in the little girls is present, the calcarea and the coliphylum are the medicines. Okay, so pains किस तरीके के हैं? पेन्स आर इंटरमिटेंट, पैरोक्सिमल एंड स्पाज्मोडिक। पेन का तरीका बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है कि पेन इसमें इंटरमिटेंट, पैरोक्सिमल, स्पाज्मोडिक होते हैं। Now discussing the next medicine that has the specific action on the respiratory as well as the urinary tract, so causing the respiratory diseases as well as urinary diseases. So the patient has the involuntary urination while the coughing, laughing, sneezing. So there are the medicines like causticum, pulsatilla, Squilla, and Nitrimur as well as Veratrum for this symptom. Now the causticum also has the symptom that the patient must move constantly, but the motion does not relieve the sufferings. Okay, the patient must move constantly, but the motion does not relieve is present in the causticum. Now the next medicine is that the patient is oversensitive from the use of the coffee and the narcotics. So the medicine is the chamomilla, and this medicine also has a symptom that is diarrhea from the downward motion. So there are two more medicines that are the borax and the senicula that having the same symptom, that is the diarrhea from downward motion. Okay, so the next symptom is that the patient is subject to hepatic, gastric and abdominal complaints, and it is suited for every age, sex and temperament, and the patient has having the symptom that is right foot cold and the left is natural. Okay, so the medicine is the chelidonium. The patient is having the right foot cold and the left is natural. In Lycopodium you will find that the one foot is hot and the other foot is cold. So the Lycopodium is written like this line, but in the chelidonium you will find out the specific that the right foot is cold and left is natural. The right foot is cold as ice and the left is natural. So these are the two important things about the medicines. Now moving on to the next symptom. Next symptom is constipation, stool, hard round balls like sheep dungs. So the symptom is present in the chelidonium, plumbum and the opium. So these are the three medicines that are having this symptom. Next symptom is urine, turbid when passed, turns milky and semi-solid after standing, white and turbid involuntary. Turbid when passed, turns milky. So this symptom is present in the sena. Okay, next symptom is the sena has cured the aphonia from exposure when aconite phosphorus spongia have failed. So these are the important MCQs that are frequently asked about the sena. Next is in produces after Drosera has relieved the symptom. ड्रॉसरा ने रिलीव कर दिया और उसके बाद जो है हम जो है सीना दे रहे हैं. Now the last thing what I want to discuss with you in this video, that for the stout swarthy persons, for system once robust, which have become debilitated, broken down from exhausting discharges, so you will find out the symptom in the Carboveg as well as in the Cinchona, that the patient is once robust but becomes debilitated due to the loss of the discharges that are very much exhausting. Okay, that is having the hemorrhage from the every orifice of the body, and the hemorrhage is long continued. So the symptom is present in the Cinchona officinalis. Okay, the patient is also having the toothache while nursing the child. The female said that she experienced the toothache while she nursed the child. Okay, so these are the important things which I discussed with you in this video. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो और आपको कुछ समझ में आया होगा किस तरीके के MCQs आपको पढ़ने हैं और क्या क्या पूछा जाता है, वो आपको समझ में आया हो, और अगर कुछ हेल्प मैंने आपकी की हो और आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो इसे लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और कमेंट कीजिए, और अगर आपने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं कर रखा तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. नो होम्योपैथी.